Welcome back to the channel. Last weekend we headed out on the Griffin, our off-grid converted trailer sailor, for another peaceful adventure. After a major transformation removing the swing keel to open up the cabin space, Griffin is way more comfortable than ever. Join us as we escape the chaos, soak up nature and enjoy the simple pleasures of off-grid boat camping. Okay, so we have, and say the royal we, Robin has taken out the keel, which has made a huge amount of difference to the room in here. The new floor has gone in. It's just given us so much more room. Robin sealed up where the keel casement was with some of the leftover plastic.
tonight.